This video is on how to make tax payment using ePay tax functionality on the e-filing portal. Presently, the taxpayers can make tax payment either using NSDL portal or ePay tax facility on the e-filing portal. ePay tax facility is a new functionality on the e-filing portal where the entire chain of activities related to payment of income tax, that is generation of challan form, making tax payment and recording the payment history, are available on the portal itself. The facility is presently enabled for selected authorized banks. This is in addition to the existing tax payment facility through NSDL portal. In this video, we will see how do we use ePay tax functionality on the e-filing portal for the purpose of generating challan form and for the purpose of making tax payment through different modes, that is net banking, debit card, over-the-counter, NEFT, RTGS and payment gateway. ePay tax facility is available both in the pre-login as well as post-login mode. To access the tax payment facility in the pre-login mode, you should have a valid and active PAN or TAN number and any valid mobile number. To access the facility post-login, you should be a registered user on the e-filing portal. Let us now look at step by step how to make the tax payment in the post-login mode. You are required to first of all log in to the e-filing portal with your user ID and password. Post login, on your dashboard, click on e-file and go to ePay tax. On the ePay tax page, you can view the details of saved drafts, generated challans and the payment history. For making a new payment, you can click on new payment where you can make the payment through net banking, debit card, over the counter, NEFT, RTGS, payment gateway for the selected authorized banks. However, if you wish to access the tax payment pages of other banks, you can click here to go to NSDL. On the new payment page, you can select the payment tile which is applicable to you. If you wish to find your tax payment category, you can click on find your tax payment category and then click on proceed button. After selecting the applicable tax payment tile, you are required to enter the relevant details of assessment year and the type of payment, that is the minor head, and then click on continue button. Here you are required to add the tax breakup details. You can add the breakup of total amount of tax payment and then click on continue button. You will be able to access the various modes for the payment of taxes, that is net banking, debit card, pay at bank counter, RTGS, NEFT or payment gateway. You can select the payment mode through which you wish to make NEFT mode. You can select the mode of payment and then click on continue button. Here you would be required to create a challan form along with a mandate form, take a printout of the same and then visit the bank's website or branch. Please note that bank charges will be applicable as per the terms and conditions prescribed by the respective originator bank. You can preview and download the mandate form, verify the payment details and then click on continue button. You can see that on a successfully generated mandate form, there will be a challan reference number. You can visit the bank branch along with the mandate form or make the payment of tax using net banking facility of the bank where you have an account. Please note that NEFT RTGS payments can be made through any bank. You are advised to confirm the availability of NEFT RTGS facility with your bank. Another option for making the tax payment is the payment gateway mode. You can select the payment gateway mode and then click on continue button. In this mode, you can make the payment through net banking and debit card of any bank. Please note that payment gateway charges may be applicable. You are advised to compare the transaction charges before selecting the payment gateway mode and the payment option. You can check the tax breakup details, verify the payment details and then click on pay now. Please agree to the terms and conditions and then click on submit to bank. You would be redirected to the website of the selected payment gateway where you can log in or enter your debit card, credit card or UPI details and make the tax payment. On successful payment, a success message will be displayed. You can download the challan receipt for future reference. However, the details will also be available in the payment history menu on the ePay tax page.